y'all.
Hey y'all.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Bria Simone. Today we are reviewing a wig from ilikehairwig. You can see these are the final results and they look so good. Okay, so bomb. This is my leave out. So I am wearing the I curly wig and it is 18 inches. It is an I part instead of like a V part or a U part wig. Okay, so you can have no leave out, no glue, no spray, no nothing. Okay, but if you choose to have leave out, you only need like a small section or a thin section of hair. As you can see, I have some of my hair out and it blends really well. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Here is the box. This is giving luxury. Okay, it reminds me of a Louis Vuitton box, low key. I really like the color, the orange and black. What is provided inside the box is 2 wig caps and this cute little bag, 2 clips and a brush, an edge brush, and a hair plucker or whatever. This is what it looks like fresh out of the box. So it has 5 clips in the front and it has 3 combs, 2 on each side and 1 in the back. It also has a strap. Hey y'all, so I am back from washing and I don't know what it is with L'Oreal and their shampoo and conditioner when it comes to weave, but it just brings the weave to life. I don't know, especially like if you have some old bundles that you just want to like revive, get these, okay? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I washed the hair, it had kind of like that burnt smell. You know, when you get weave sometimes it just has that smell. So I experienced that while I was washing it, but using those products, the weave smells so good now. Oh, my hair is in 4 braids and I just tied it up with the regular scrunchie or hair tie, whatever you want to call it. Now I'm about to apply this this head cap. Just gonna do that. I'm just gonna put it halfway on. So I'm going to try to do a look with no leave out and then show you guys what it will look like with leave out. This on. Wait, how am I gonna do this? I forgot. I haven't worn a wig in a minute, y'all. The strap, so I guess. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put the strap on first and then put the comb. Put the comb in the back. All right, and now we're going to clip. I believe it has combs on the sides too. Okay, yeah, we're gonna comb the sides as well, right? Ooh, okay, maybe I should wait until, cause okay, I want to try to get it as close to the part as possible. Put some gel and slick this back, cause no, it is not working out. Tease this. Now, I don't know how I'm I like that the roots are curly. Oh, ooh, there we go. All right. Okay. Okay, so this is the leave-in I'm going to be using, and then I'm just going to spray some water.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So I want to say I love the hair. The hair is so soft. It is super soft and easy to detangle. I didn't really have any shedding, honestly. And just like right now, like how easy it was just to apply the conditioner and the gel and just raking my fingers and the brush through, I didn't really have any problems. I can tell this is going to be such a like throw on convenient type wig. Now with this, it keeps sliding down. I would suggest doing anchor braids. You would just braid right here close to the part so it can stay and hook on there because it is not staying. I do like the idea. See, like this looks good, but this side is like it's not trying to, but whatever. Okay, so now I'm going to try it with leave out. So hold on just a second. Okay. I am praying and hoping, Jesus Lord, that this blends in because I do have some heat damage, so it should though. Okay, this is how much leave out I have. Yay. Wow, okay, it looks good. Period. Yes. Ooh. Yes. This is perfect. This is perfect if you want to take a break from lace front wigs or heat on your hair. You can just throw on this wig and then just do your curly leave out. I love this. looks so good. Ooh. So this hair is beautiful, y'all. Like, look at this. And this is perfect for the springtime because, you know, spring is right around the corner. My hair blends so well with it. Like, I am so happy. I was a little nervous. It blended in so well. Like, oh, it looks so nice. I love this. Like, this is gonna be my go-to for real, especially when I want to take a break from heat, because you know your girl loves some heat. I'm not gonna lie. Guys, this is so cute. This is the type of curly hair that you could just wet and go. So shout out to ilikehairwig for sponsoring this video and giving me this hair, this beautiful hair. This is it, y'all. In love. This looks so good. So I do have a coupon code. It is 25% off for you guys. So make sure you hit that link in the description box so you can get 25% off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.